vintner fortifies wine that contains 10% alcohol by adding a 70% alcohol solution to it. The resulting mixture has an alcoholic strength of 16% and fills 1,000 1-liter bottles. How many liters of the wine and of the alcohol solution does the vintner use? So the first thing we want to do is identify our unknowns and just assign some variables to them. So how many liters of wine can be one variable? We'll call that X. And how many liters of the alcohol solution? We can call that Y. Okay. Let me go ahead and write that explicitly here. X is the liters of wine, and Y is liters of the alcohol solution. Okay, now we need to take the information that's given and write some equations representing the relationships. So we have the two things going on here. We've got the alcohol strength of the solution, so that's the 16%. And the other thing we have is the total volume. Okay, so X and Y are volumes already. So if we just take those and add them together, right, X plus Y, this is the total volume. And we know that that ends up as 1,000 liters. So this is equal to 1,000. The next thing we have is this alcoholic strength. So we know that the wine, okay, contains 10% alcohol. So if I take 0.1 times X, okay, this is the amount of alcohol from the wine, and then plus the alcohol solution is 70% alcohol. So that's plus 0.7 times Y. Okay, the 0.7 times Y is the amount of alcohol from the alcohol solution. And when we add those together, we get the total amount of alcohol. And that's going to be the 16% of the 1,000. So 0.16 times 1,000. So now we've got our system of equations, and we'd like to solve this. I'm going to go ahead and multiply this second equation by a 10, because that'll get rid of my decimals here. So my first equation doesn't change. I've got X plus Y equals 1,000. My second equation, I get just X plus 7Y equals, and then this becomes 1,600. Now I've got this system that's pretty easy to solve. I can go ahead and just do an elimination, because the coefficients on the X are already the same. And that gives me a negative 6Y equals negative 600. So Y is equal to 100. And then I can go ahead and plug that in to this first equation. At X equals 1,000 minus Y, which is 1,000 minus 100, which is 900. So this tells us that if we interpret this in the context of the problem, we have 900 liters of wine, 900 liters of wine, and 100 liters of the alcohol solution.